Imagine this. You're sitting in a cafe enjoying your coffee. Meanwhile, on the other side of the world, a hacker has just stolen your credit card details. Within seconds, they try to buy a brand new iPhone worth $1,500. But before the payment even gets approved, an invisible digital guardian steps in. It scans the purchase, compares it against your past 10 years of shopping habits, and says, "Crossmark this as fraud. Transaction declined." That guardian is artificial intelligence. Welcome to the new era of financial security, where AI is stopping credit card fraud in real time. Today, we're going to uncover how AI actually protects your money, the technology behind it, the challenges it faces, and what the future holds. Stay with me till the end, because I promise you'll never look at your credit card the same way again. Credit card fraud is one of the biggest financial crimes in the world today. Every time you swipe your card, enter details online, or use it at an ATM, you're exposed to potential fraud. According to global reports, in 2023 alone, credit card fraud losses crossed $32 billion. Experts predict this number could reach $40 billion by 2026 if stronger protections aren't implemented. On average, someone falls victim to card fraud every 2 seconds. But there's hope, and that hope is powered by AI. AI doesn't just detect fraud, it prevents it. It learns your behavior, spots unusual activity instantly, and makes split-second decisions to protect your money. And the best part? It works 24/7, across the globe, on billions of transactions. To really understand why AI is so important, let's look back at the past. Small Blue Diamond in the 1990s, fraud detection was basic. Banks relied on manual reviews and simple rules. For example, if a transaction is above $10,000, flag it. Small Blue Diamond, but criminals quickly adapted. They realized that making smaller but frequent transactions could go unnoticed. Small Blue Diamond in the early 2000s, companies started using rule-based systems. They added rules like block a purchase if it's in a foreign country, or flag if it's more than 3 purchases in 1 hour. But again, fraudsters became smarter. They started using stolen cards for online subscriptions, gift cards, and even splitting payments to avoid suspicion. By the 2010s, banks realized they were fighting a losing battle. Fraud was evolving faster than humans could respond. That's when AI entered the battlefield. Unlike old systems, AI doesn't just follow rules, it learns patterns. It can detect fraud that has never been seen before. How AI detects fraud in real time. AI-powered fraud detection is like having a detective working for you every second. Here's how it works. Behavioral analysis. AI studies your habits. Where you shop, how much you spend, what times you usually buy. Anomaly detection. If you suddenly do something unusual, like buying luxury watches in another country, triangular flag, red flag. Device and location tracking. AI checks if your purchase is from your usual phone, laptop, or IP address. Velocity checks. If your card is used 10 times in 2 minutes, AI immediately suspects fraud. Cross-network analysis. AI compares data across millions of users to spot suspicious trends. All of this happens in milliseconds. So by the time the hacker clicks buy, AI has already made a decision. Approve white heavy checkmark or decline crossmark. Real-world examples of AI in action. Let's look at some real-world numbers. Backhand Index Pointing Right. MasterCard reported that its AI system prevented $20 billion worth of fraud in 2023 alone. Backhand Index Pointing Right. PayPal processes 500 million transactions per day. Without AI, they drown in fraud attempts. Their AI models adapt daily to new fraud techniques. Backhand Index Pointing Right. Visa's AI analyzes over 500 different risk factors for every transaction, all in less than 1 second. Even your bank does this. That text you get sometimes, "Did you just make this purchase?" That's AI verifying if it's really you. During the COVID-19 pandemic, online shopping fraud skyrocketed. Criminals used the crisis to their advantage. But AI stopped billions of fake purchases, saving both banks and customers. How AI learns and adapts. The real power of AI is not just in detection. It's in learning. Every time fraud happens, AI gets smarter. It updates itself automatically. Let's say a new scam appears. Fraudsters buy digital gift cards, resell them instantly, and cash out. Old systems would take months to add new rules. AI? It adapts in hours. This is thanks to technologies like neural networks, which mimic the human brain. Machine learning, which improves over time with more data. Deep learning, which can spot hidden fraud patterns that even experts miss. In short, AI is a fraud detective that never sleeps, never forgets, and keeps improving. So what does the future hold? Small Blue Diamond by 2030, experts predict 90% of fraud detection will be AI-driven. Small Blue Diamond quantum computers could make fraud detection 1,000,000 times faster. Imagine spotting fraud before it even happens. But here's the dark side. False positives. Sometimes, AI blocks real purchases, frustrating customers. AI hacking criminals are also using AI to test stolen card numbers at lightning speed. Privacy concerns. AI systems analyze your location, spending habits, even your browsing data. Who controls this information? So while AI is protecting us, it also raises questions about ethics, privacy, and control. It's truly an arms race. AI defenders versus AI-powered criminals. Let's be clear, without AI, credit card fraud would be out of control. Today, AI is your invisible guardian, monitoring every transaction in real time, blocking suspicious activity, and saving billions for banks and customers. Yes, it's not perfect. Yes, there are risks. But one thing is certain: AI has become the frontline soldier in the war against fraud. So next time your card gets declined for a strange purchase, don't be annoyed. That's AI working to protect your money. Backhand index pointing right now, I want to hear from you. Do you trust AI with your financial security? Or do you fear it's collecting too much data about us? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Backhand index pointing down. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of finance, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI, money, and the future of investing. Because remember, those who understand AI today will be the financial winners of tomorrow. Rocket Credit Card Robot Face.